Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create eye-catching thumbnails that look professional using Canva. So first, you can just open canva.com or open your Canva apps on your mobile. And here you can go to the templates tab and just directly search for YouTube thumbnails. Templates for reference. You can also create from scratch, but for quick and easy way, you can just use this YouTube thumbnail templates. As you can see, there are lots of options that you can select it. So you can just modify it to fit your channel and your needs. For example, in here, I'm going to go with this one, so you can just click on a template, tap on customize this template, and the canvas will be open in a new tab like this. So what you need to do next is just modify with your own photo. You can add your own logo, and you can also change the font to the one that you like, or you can also add your brand font. For example, here I'm going to use my brand kit. And you can adjust the position and size again to fit with the positions. You can customize the size and everything. You can also change the color background by clicking on the background and choose the new color for your thumbnail. If you don't like with certain elements, you can always delete it just like this. You can also change the photo if you want to. For example, I'm going to upload my own photo. Let's say this one in here. So you can just drag it just like this. And if you're done, you can just click on share, tap on download, and here I suggest you to download it as GPG because you need a small size to be able to upload it as a YouTube thumbnail. So PNG is too big usually, so you can just choose GPG and tap on download, and after that you can just go to your YouTube studio and upload the thumbnail. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.